Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clothing rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of furniture in any home, especially when it comes to maintaining an organized and clutter-free living space. It's the silent guardian of your wardrobe, ensuring your favorite outfits are readily accessible and your room remains tidy, transforming chaotic piles into neat displays. Number 5. VIPEK Classic V6 Wire Garment Rack. Introducing the VIPEK Classic V6 Wire Garment Rack, built with premium carbon steel for exceptional stability. It's designed to last, even when holding heavy loads of clothes. This versatile rack offers two assembly styles, a classic straight design or an L shape to fit perfectly into corners. Adapt it to your space and needs effortlessly. Tailor your storage with adjustable shelving and hanging rods. This unit provides ample space for both folded items and garments that need to be hung. Don't worry about overloading this rack. It boasts an impressive 850 pounds weight capacity, ensuring it remains stable and reliable for all your storage requirements. Setting up your new storage solution is a breeze. With a clear, step-by-step guide, you can easily assemble this garment rack on your own. What we like? This garment rack offers incredible versatility with two distinct installation styles, allowing you to configure it for a straight setup or an L shape to fit any corner. Its adjustable shelving and a massive 850 pounds weight capacity mean you can store and hang a vast amount of clothing and accessories without worry. If you need a highly customizable and robust storage solution for a large wardrobe or a walk-in closet, this is the one for you. What people say. This rack is sturdy, clean-lined, and strong enough to hold structured coats, heavier fabrics, and full seasonal rotation without bowing or wobbling. The amount of storage on this was very shockingly impressive. I have so much extra room. The racks themselves are very sturdy. If put together correctly, they are very sturdy and stable. I was able to hang everything I needed to without straining the rods, and I still have room to grow. Number 4. Simple Trending Standard Rolling Garment Rack. Introducing the Simple Trending Standard Garment Rack, your ultimate solution for clothing organization. It's perfect for decluttering your laundry room, bedroom, or dorm. This rack features an extensible top rod, easily adjusting from 30.5 to 47.5 inches. Integrated stoppers ensure your clothes stay securely in place. Crafted from highly resistant metal with premium chromium plating, it offers superior protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. Equipped with four 360-degree wheels, it glides smoothly for flexible movement. It's both durable and lightweight for convenient transport. With dimensions of 30.5 to 47.5, LX15W X65H, assembly is a breeze. It includes two wrenches and a clear manual for quick setup. What we like? This clothing rack is designed for ultimate flexibility with an extensible hanging rod that adjusts to your space and needs. Its durable, rust-resistant chrome plating ensures it looks great and lasts long, while the four 360-degree wheels make it incredibly easy to move around. If you're looking for a mobile and adaptable solution for a dorm room, small apartment, or laundry area, this rack is a perfect fit. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and can hold a lot of clothes. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my closet. The design is simple yet functional, and it fits perfectly in the space I had available. Number 3. SONGMICS Clothes Rack with Wheels UHSR 25BK. This metal rack is an extension of your closet, adding tons of hanging space. It can keep up to 40 shirts neatly organized. Made with thick steel tubes and secured by screws, it's a sturdy rack. It can hold up to 88 pounds, giving your heavy clothes stable support for years. The bottom mesh shelf is perfect for shoes and storage boxes. Its closely spaced mesh ensures even high heels have a place here. For universal casters, two with brakes, make it easy to move. You can effortlessly transition it between rooms and lock it securely in place. With labeled parts and clear instructions, assembly is a breeze. You'll quickly have more space to organize your clothes. What we like? This garment rack stands out with its integrated bottom mesh shelf, providing extra space for shoes or storage boxes, making it a complete organizational unit. The inclusion of wheels with brakes adds stability when stationary and mobility when needed. If you appreciate a compact yet functional design that keeps both your hanging clothes and accessories neatly organized, this is an excellent choice. What people say. So far it seems to be pretty sturdy. I hung all of our roller skates on one side and no issues with it being wobbly or bending. The bottom metal rack seems to be decent strength as well. Once together, everything feels super sturdy. For a clothing rack, this feels like it can support a good amount. It's very well made, sturdy and does not budge when wool brakes are on. Number 2. VIPEK V5 Heavy Duty Clothes Rack. Introducing a heavy-duty clothes rack designed to maximize your storage. It's built to last and can handle a significant amount of weight, keeping your items organized with ease. Instantly create more storage space and bring order to your clutter. This unit helps you transform messy areas into neat, organized spaces with minimal effort. With multiple tiers, it offers generous space for all your essentials. Store clothes, accessories, shoes, and more, keeping everything within reach. Constructed from high-quality iron, this rack is incredibly stable and reliable. Its robust design ensures it can hold even heavy garments securely. Perfect for any room, including bedrooms, cloakrooms, and laundry areas. Its adaptable design fits seamlessly into your existing space. Assemble it in multiple configurations to suit your specific needs. Follow the instructions carefully for a straightforward setup process. What we like. Boasting an impressive load capacity of up to 890 pounds and multiple hanging rods, this rack is built to handle substantial weight and volume. It functions as a complete freestanding wardrobe, offering ample space for both hanging garments and folded items on its numerous shelves. If you need to maximize storage in a bedroom or cloakroom and organize a large collection of clothes, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. It's perfect. I did some measurements to decide which product to purchase. There's more than enough room for everything I have, plus some empty shelves to fill with my bags or big hats. It's a plus that this was customizable, with 2 options in the booklet. It would not be hard to customize further if you wanted to. This was a breeze to assemble, and it was not difficult to change a shelf midway, as the unit slides together on couplings. Heavy duty, as advertised. While moving the racks as described above, I moved both sets of clothes to an adjacent rack with no bending or bowing. Number 1. SONGMICS Heavy Duty Clothes Rack UHSR11S. Experience exceptional durability with our clothes rack. Its robust construction, featuring thicker steel tubes and heavy-duty casters, supports an impressive load capacity, so you can confidently hang even your heaviest garments. Need more room? The extendable hanging rod offers extra space on each end, perfect for garments, handbags, hats, and scarves. Easily adjusted to fit your storage needs. Move your rack with ease thanks to the 360-degree swivel casters. 2 of the casters include brakes, allowing you to lock it securely in place whenever and wherever you need it. Setting up your new garment rack is a breeze, taking just 3 simple steps. When not in use, it disassembles quickly for convenient storage in any corner. This rack is perfect for organizing clothes in any room, drying laundry, or even storing shoes on the bottom shelf. Its versatile design and durable finish make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. This heavy-duty garment rack is constructed with significantly thicker steel tubes, offering superior strength and a remarkable load capacity of up to 286.6 pounds. Its extendable hanging rod provides even more space for garments and accessories, making it highly adaptable. If you have a lot of heavy clothing like winter coats or need a robust, long-lasting solution that can grow with your storage needs, this rack is a top contender. What people say. I ordered 2 of these racks and am surprised at how sturdy they are and how easy they are to put together. This is a very sturdy laundry valet. I use it every time I do my laundry, and there is plenty of room to hang my clothing. I like that it is wheeled. I am able to put it out of the way when not in use. The quality shocked me in a good way. Very sturdy, heavy duty, and feels well made once assembled. I loaded it up with a large number of dresses and abayas and it holds the weight without wobbling or feeling unstable at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.